What is going on, friends? Ryan here. Great to see you. I'm glad you're coming back to watch this part 2 of my unboxing because I'm going to be unboxing this yo-yo right here. And this is the first metal yo-yo that I have had since college. I used to play with a positron. And let me get that real quick. This is my good old friend positron by Turning Point, and this is from Kentaro Kimura. This is his company, and he makes amazing yo-yos. I love all of his yo-yos, and I've used this yo-yo for 9 years. But I picked this up today. This is the Edge by Yoyofactory. I don't know if this is Evan's yo-yo. Who knows? Maybe it's just by Yoyofactory. Just Google it. This is blue and silver, or blue and white. This is blue and black. This is the opposite now. But I think this is going to be my new best friend for a while, and I just can't wait to unbox it and show it to you guys because it is just an amazing yo-yo. It was $150. Anyway, changing camera angles. We'll get to the unboxing right now. Alright guys, so we are getting into the unboxing right now for this yo-yo, the Edge by Yoyofactory, and I am so excited to unbox this baby. So here we go. I actually don't know how to unbox this, so we're gonna find out together. Looks like there's a tab. That's just a tab. Okay. How do I open this? Okay, there's some plastic here. What the heck? Well, this is definitely going to be an interesting video already because I don't know how to unbox this. Okay, there's some plastic. Get rid of the plastic. Okay, so if you didn't see, the price is $150, so it is quite a chunk of change. But my positron here that I've played with for 9 years now was also $150, and you know, $150 spread out over 9 years, you know, I don't know how many hundreds of hours, maybe even thousands of hours that I got playing on this thing. I mean, it's like it pays for itself, honestly. Oh, here it is. Okay, so let's open it up right here. Oh yes, there it is. Okay, looks like we'll just take it out right here. And we got the yo-yo. Let's take it out. And we got the typical Yoyofactory string and choking hazard disclaimer. So we don't need the choking hazard, we don't need this cardboard stuff. You know, this boxing is pretty cool. We don't need that string either. This box is pretty cool. It's like a little Pelican box. Came with the purchase, so looks like it just slides together right here. I'm actually going to keep this box. It's pretty high quality. I'm just going to keep this box. It might be useful later for all this stuff. But here is the yo-yo, my new best friend for hopefully another 9 years plus. And let's put some string on it, play with it, and I will talk a little bit more about it in just a second. So we're switching camera angles now. that was the unboxing and first ever throw of the Edge by Yoyofactory. I could not be more happy with the yo-yo. And you know, mind you, I've gone without buying a yo-yo for 5 years at least. This is the only yo-yo I bought in 4 years. I bought this. So when I bought this, it's been 4 years since I bought a single yo-yo. And this is the only other yo-yo I've ever bought after this one. Pretty much what I'm saying is I'm only going to buy something if I really think it's the best, because first of all, $150 is a lot for a yo-yo. But if I'm going to buy something that I'm going to play with for 10 years or longer, I'm going to get the best possible one, right? It's a big deal that I got this yo-yo. Because I really think it's the best. It's lighter than this one, for one. Again, I'm going to put the specs somewhere on the screen or in the description, so go check that out. If not, go Google it. But this one is a little lighter than this one, which is a little lighter than this one. However, this spins better because the edges are very deep. They put most of the weight on the rim here, so it spins very nicely. The gap is nice and wide, it's nice and smooth. The finishing on the metal and the edge here is butter smooth. You can grind like butter. It's so amazing. I'll have to make another video later when I'm grinding it, but I can't right now because I'm recording and my arm is sweaty and I can't grind right now. But yeah, the bearing on this that it comes with as well is also a very high quality bearing. It's better than the one that comes in here. I don't know what it's called. Again, check the description or just Google it yourself. But the bearing on here is better. I just want to say I'm very, very happy with this yo-yo. If there's any way I could like endorse it or like put an affiliate link, I would, but I'm not sponsored by Yoyofactory. But this yo-yo is good enough where I will promote their product anyway. I just wanted to share this unboxing and special experience for me. My first is your first as well. First to see this and first to play with it. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. You know, unboxing is not my regular thing, so I'm sorry if I rambled on for a little bit. But anyway, hope you guys are doing well. Just want to let you know I'm doing well. And again, if you're interested in learning Japanese, checking out my other stuff, follow me on my other social media channels. It'd be great to keep in contact with you guys over time. So anyway, have a great rest of your day and keep practicing, keep yo-yoing. I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye.